tornado emergency for Springfield. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for central Greene County in southwestern Missouri until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Springfield, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. This includes the following highway: Interstate 44 between mile markers 58 and 77. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter immediately, and protect yourself from flying debris.